let's divide a mixed number by a mixed number. The very first thing we need to do is to change both of our mixed numbers into improper fractions. To change 5 1/2 into an improper fraction, our denominator is 2, and I have 5 wholes, so I could rewrite each one of these to be 2 halves plus 2 halves plus 2 halves plus 2 halves plus another 2 halves. That's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I have the 1/2. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 halves. Or I can remember to multiply 2 times 5 and add 1. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11, and I get 11 halves divided by, I have 1 whole and 3/4. My denominator here is 4. So I would have 4/4 and another 3/4, and 4 plus 3 is 7/4. Doing it the other way, 1 times 4 is 4, plus 3 is 7/4. When dividing fractions, we change them to multiplication problems. And the strategy we learned is LMR. We're going to leave the first number the same. So 11 halves we're going to rewrite. The ILM helps us to remember that we're going to multiply. So we're going to change our division to multiplication. And the R reminds us that we need the reciprocal. The reciprocal of 7/4 is 4/7. Now it's a multiplication problem, and I'm going to multiply my numerators and multiply my denominators. 11 times 4 and 2 times 7. I can rewrite the 4 so that I have common factors of 2, 2 times 2, and now I can cross off a 2 in the bottom and a 2 in the top. Multiplying what I have left, 11 times 1 times 2 is 22, and 1 times 7 is 7. 22/7 is improper, so out to the side I'm going to divide 22 by 7 to find my mixed number. 7 divides 22 3 times. 3 times 7 is 21. I get a remainder of 1, so that is 3. The 1 is my numerator, the 7 is my denominator, and I can rewrite 22/7 to be 3 1/7.